Right, so in this video we're going to attempt to replace the cabin filter on the A3. This should be the correct model for this car. So we are in the passenger footwell and let's get to it. First things first, you have to remove this soft cover thing, and this is held in place by two twisty caps. So one of them is here and the other one is on the other side. And now the whole thing should just come out. And then aside. Now this long plastic thing with the arrow on it is the cover that holds the filter in place. So just pull it to the left and it should pop right out. Now that's the end of the filter, as you can see right there. And prepare to be horrified. Oh dear. Yep, it's pretty gross. Now there's a date on this somewhere. And there you go, I think it was made in 2016. Alright, let's chuck that away. Here's the new one. And it should go in the same way as the other one came out. One can only hope. So I had to use both hands to fit it in there. But it's in. Now let's put the cap back on. See, the cap has these little hooks that are supposed to be going in the cuts on the filter. Like so. And then you push it to the right. Okay, now I think most reasonable people would consider that to be in place. So it's now just a matter of putting the cover back on, and that's it. Thanks for watching.